Now it's time to do something a little bit difficult, okay? I'm going to write a word on the whiteboard, and then I'm going to put the dots under every sound, like this. Okay? It's a little bit difficult, but I think you can do it. With me, of course. Okay? So we have this word, and then we have these dots under the sounds of the word. Okay? We are going to say the sound of every letter, and then we say the word. Okay? Like this. Ah, t, cat. Okay, so it's like I'm pushing the sounds together so that when I say the word, it sounds beautiful, like music to my ears. Okay? A, t, cat. All right? Now, this word was easy peasy. Let's go to a more difficult word. Okay, so you make the sounds first in your home, and then I will make the sound, and you will see if you are correct or you need some more work. Okay? You first. Okay, now with me. B, d, bud. Did you get it? Okay, the next word. 4 sounds. You first. Okay, now with me. Mmm. Ah, snap. Okay. Wow. How many sounds are there in this word? One, two, three, four, five, 6 sounds. This is a long word. Okay, let's see if you can make the sounds. Okay, now with me. I, mmm, I, and the word is picnic. Picnic. I love picnics. This is a little bit tricky because this word has got 2 letters, 1 sound. Can you see that the double S, it only has 1 dot because it only has 1 sound? Okay? So, this one we can do together. Okay, let's do it together. The first sound is, the next sound is, I. The next sound is, S. Okay? I, S. Kiss. All right? A kiss. Mwah. All right. All right. The sounds here. 1 letter, 1 sound. Okay, we have 4 sounds. Let's make the sounds together. Oh. Help. Help. Okay. Oh, this is one word from the spelling bee. But today we are going to use it for the sounds. Okay? Let's make the sounds. Ah. Mm. D. Hand. Hand. Very good. Wow, how many sounds are there in this word? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's do it. G. R. Ah. Mm. D. Mm. Ah. G. R. And. Ah. Grandma. Super long word. Fantastic, friends. Okay. Okay. Let's make the sounds. This letter. I. Oh. Mm. I. Oh. Film. What's your favorite film? My favorite film is The Lion King. The Lion King is a great film. Okay. One letter, one sound. This is 2 letters, 1 sound, and 1 letter, 1 sound. Okay? Let's see. Can you remember the sound with the 2 letters, A and I, together? It's the A sound. Okay, this is the sound that we were practicing before. R. A. Rain. Very good. Okay, this is another tricky word because when I see the C and the K together, they make one sound. Okay? 2 letters, 1 sound. All right? So let's see. Let's do it together. All right? J, A, E, T, jacket. Jacket. Okay, friends, good job. That was a really difficult activity, but we will practice more in the future. Okay, friends? See you next time. Bye.